Hello, I'm Andrew Miller, and this is my primate presentation. The primate that I selected was the bonobo. The full taxonomy of the bonobo. They are part of the kingdom Animalia, the phylum Chordata, the class Mammalia, the order Primates. The family they are part of is the Hominid. The genus is Pan, and the species is Pan paniscus. A physical description of the bonobo is that they have black hair and a black face. They typically have pink lips. They have a slim build with a slender upper body. They have long legs, flat faces, and a round head. The habitat and geographical range. The habitat which they live in is usually tropical or swamp rainforests within the Congo Basin. They live in dense forests, primary and secondary forests, with some savanna-like areas that they might live in. The geographical range that they live in, they typically live in the area south of the Congo River, bordered by the Lualaba River to the east and the Kasai River to the south. The population size and conservation status. Their population is ranged between 10 to 20,000. I was unable to get an exact number, but it is estimated between 10 and 20,000. The conservation status, they are currently endangered. And then over to the left, you can see a little bit more fun facts, the habitat, the conservation status, the weight, just some fun information. The social structure and mating patterns. They're a female-centered social structure with multi-male, multi-female groups. They have flexible mating patterns. Sexual behavior is used for social bonding, appeasement, and stress reduction, not just reproduction. Diet and trophic level. Bonobos are omnivores, primarily frugivores, whose diet consists mostly of fruit, supplemented by leaves, seeds, flowers, fungi, and invertebrates like insects. Their trophic level, they are omnivores. They have a diet that consists of, like I said, fruits, plants, and insects. They fall in both the primary and secondary consumer level of the food chain. And some predators include mostly humans, and there have been cases of an occasional leopard being a predator. My article summary was comparing social play between bonobos and chimpanzees. Adult social play is compared between bonobos and chimpanzees to consider how evolutionary closeness and social structure affects the play behavior of each species. Overall levels of adult social play did not differ between the two species, although bonobos showed higher levels of play among fertile adults. Behavioral indicators of a more equal social system in bonobos compared to chimpanzees included more frequent unresolved conflicts and a lack of formal submission play displays. The adult bonobos also played more roughly and signaled more frequently with a play face, especially during rough play. Chimpanzees' play signaling did not increase with the intensity of play. Social play among females was most frequent of any sex combination for bonobos, but no sex differences were found among chimpanzees. The authors interpret that social play among female bonobos supports cooperation, flexibility, and symmetrical relationships and reinforces the equal social dynamics of this species. This is my citation along with some pictures that I've had, throughout the presentation. Thank you for your time.